Crispy onion rings recipe. Easy and quick recipe. Try this onion rings with your favorite sauce. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, then add 1 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Mix it well nicely. After mixing, add 3/4 cup of cold water. Mix it well into right consistency. We also need 1 cup of breadcrumbs. First we need to dip the onion cut into rings shape into the batter and coat them well. Then we coat them with the breadcrumbs. Flip the sides and coat them very well with the breadcrumbs. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Now we can fry them. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add the onion rings and fry them on medium to high flame. Make sure the oil is hot before dipping the onion rings. Fry until it turns to light golden color. Now transfer them into a serving plate. Our crispy and tasty onion rings are ready to be served. Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.